Hi you guys, welcome back to the channel. So today in this video, as you guys can see on the title of it, I just received my Yoke steering wheel for my 2016 Tesla Model X, and I'm super excited about it because I really love the design on it. It just makes it look more modern. But so yeah, I'll be installing it this myself. And so I'm about to open it. I haven't opened it. So you guys will be having the first look with me. And after this, we're gonna go ahead and install it. So let's do it. Okay, so here's the box. It came like this. I already removed the tape and stuff. But here it is. Chan chan chan. Nice. I love it. I just love the design on this Yoke steering wheel. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna remove this part, and my Model X has the regular steering wheel, so I'm excited to do that. Change into this one. And this is this steering wheel doesn't have with the airbag part. It comes, I mean, you're gonna use the same one that your car already has, so that's why it only comes with this little part. But it's pretty nice. The quality looks really good. You guys can see here. And this is the cable for, I believe this is for the heating of the wheel. So yeah, I also ordered some lights that go under the seats, so I'm excited to try those. Some LED lights that go under the seat. I'm excited because sometimes it's a little too dark in the car, so I'm excited to try that. Okay, and so this is the steering wheel that I currently have in my Model X. I'm gonna go ahead and unplug it because I have it plugged in. Okay, I hope you guys have a good view back there. So what I am gonna do is I'm gonna turn off the car. And there it is, it's turned off. Okay, it's gonna be really hot in here because it's hot in here in Texas. I don't think this one is it. I feel like it's this one here. So I'm gonna use an L shape. I'm not sure what these are called, so but you guys know what I'm trying to do or say. Okay. It's really hot. Okay, I think that side is off. And now let's do the other side. No. So the car has, I mean, the steering wheel has two little L, if you guys see it right there. It has two screws that are, I don't know what the shape of these are called, but yeah. Oh, I'm sweating. I'm sweating a lot. And I cannot, oh, there we go. I think it should go down this way, but I don't know if am I doing it wrong? I hope not. There we go. We got it loosened. Okay, let's try. Whew. I didn't think it was gonna be this hot. But let's go ahead and try the remove the airbag and see if it will come off already. Okay. Will it come off, or is it still not ready? Okay, it looks like it's out. So let's pull these. Let's try to pull these. It should be ready to come off. There we go. So we got it off on one side. And then you just keep pulling. And then until all this is out. Let's see. And then it has two little like pins in here that you just pull out, and then the other one too. Okay, and now the other part will be the big L. Oh, I might not have a big one like that. Yeah, I don't think I have a big one for that. Oh, okay. So we have a problem. Okay, I'm back, and we had to go get this from the store because they didn't. I mean the Allen keys. It's Allen keys. Allen keys. We didn't have the right size for this one. It's a 10 millimeters. And I assumed it was a 8 millimeters because it said 8.8 here, but it's not. I was wrong. So all we gotta do is just
que tener el volante. ¿Lo tienes que zafar o...?
Sí.
Ah, ¿quieres aflojar?
Sí.
Ah, por otro lado. Ahí.
Ok.
Allá.
Ok.
¿Te detengo?
Sí.
Para que gire. ¿Cómo abrimos los refrescos? Así, ¿verdad? ¿Te ayudo? Okay. ¿Y quieres detener el volante?
Ok.
A ver. Me da duda, mi amor. ¿No quieres checar el video? ¿Cómo se...?
Pues no tiene ciencia. O sea, al otro lado.
Tenemos bien de este lado.
Sí.
Tú. No. Sí, es para el otro lado.
Sí, es que va a estar duro.
Pero bastante.
¿Te quieres sentar a lo mejor?
Pero si me explico a lo que me refiero, no me estás escuchando.
Sí, pero o sea, pues es un tornillo nomás. Sí deberías. A ver.
Detén el volante, entonces.
Espera.
Sí, así. Como abrimos un refresco.
Tornillar para allá.
Sí, así. No.
A ver, para el otro lado.
No. No, está muy duro. Me da miedo. O sea, sí le puedo dar, pero me da miedo.
Okay, so my boyfriend helped me get this loose because it was it was super tight. So if you're a girl and if you're not as strong, you might need some help. So all we gotta do now is undo these. And then we can remove this. Now it should come out. Okay, that was aggressive, but yeah, that's it. And then I'm gonna push out this. Oh, I'm gonna push these out of the steering wheel because I'm gonna use those for the next one, for the other one. And then this is the old one. So this is the new Yoke steering wheel. So the only thing I'm not sure where this one's gonna go into, but Yeah, so basically we just put it in here, and then we'll do the same steps. So we'll put this one in here, and then we'll put this. I mean, we'll tighten this. Oh, okay. Okay, based on my mark, as you guys can see, I made a little mark here, up here, where the thing was laying before I took it off. So that should be there, and then we're gonna put in the other screws, the ones that go here on the side from the back, so it's ready. Okay, and then I'm gonna make sure the car is powered off from the screen here, and then we'll plug this back in, which, like I said, I'm not sure where. I'm not sure where we will plug the heating one into. I don't see one here. But so we'll plug in the way it was, and then I guess this one's gonna stay loose. We'll put the steering wheel back in like this. Make sure it fits all the way in. So our next step will be to tighten the other screws that are in the back. So one side is done, so y'all can see what's going on. But basically I'm gonna tighten these screw, but on the other side, because this one's already done. So let's do this other side. I'm gonna need to open my door. Yes. Okay, so my boyfriend gave me a good idea that I could turn the steering wheel, which I thought about it earlier, but I was just trying to keep it straight. Huh? Okay. Okay. Okay, and we are all set. We have our Yoke steering wheel installed on a Model X, and I love how it looks. I can like totally see the screen now without any interruptions. Let me give you guys a point of view. Okay, and so here's my point of view, guys. Here's Yoke steering wheel. So like I said, when I was installing, I didn't see a cable for the heating part, which I might not have a heated steering wheel for, I mean, now. But that's okay. It won't be a big deal. So that's okay. But yeah, other than that, it works great. I'm about to go work out, so I'll take you guys on a spin and see how it looks, how it works. But everything works here. The fan controls, the voice control. I can control here. I mean, it's pretty much the same. I can skip songs. I know. We can skip songs too, as you guys can see. Turn the volume up and down. And yeah, so other than that, let's go for a spin and I'll show you guys what that's like. Okay, and I mentioned to you guys that I bought some LED lights for under the seats. I'm gonna install those, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna do that right now. I might just do it when I get back from the gym, just because my friend is waiting for me to go to the gym, so I don't want to make her wait too long. But yeah, I'll show you guys how that looks like in a little bit. So yeah, stay tuned.
Now turn left onto Landon Street. Now your destination is on the left.
Okay, so I'm gonna make a turn here, and this is where it gets tricky, especially because I'm used to the rounded steering wheel. But let's see. I'm gonna turn left right here, and I just made a turn, and it was a little bit scary, especially because there was a car behind me. You see? Okay, so it's a little bit tricky. Let's see, I'm gonna make another turn here on the right, to the right, onto the right. Okay. Oh, okay. I kind of get more the hang of it. So when I turn, I can just like grab down here instead of here, because I feel like it just slips out of my hand when I do that. So I can just turn here and grab it here. See? And then here, I'm gonna turn here, and then because it's so easy for it to just slip out of the hand, and I'm scared that I'm gonna cause an accident. I definitely don't want to do that. So yeah, let's do this. But yeah, other than that, it's really good. I love it. So yeah, here's the review. So that was the installation of the Yoke steering wheel on the 2016 Model X. And yeah, so I think I'm gonna do a separate video about the lights, just so you guys can see that on a separate video. And yeah, so I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for checking it out. Bye.